everyone, it's Miranda from Celana Creations. I wanted to come on. I'm super excited. I just got in my 2 boxes of stuff that I'd ordered for new things to add into my shop, my Etsy shop. So I wanted to show you guys why I opened it all up and kind of show you what I got. So the first one is from Arika Crystal Beads, and super excited to finally get these. They're really quick to ship, but I got some of these little Delca beads. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's like a light gray, and these are going to be for a kind of like a checkered type pair of earrings I'm making. So these will be in the store really soon. I'm going to be working today and tomorrow on those. How cool are those? I'll take them out of the package so they're a little bit easier for you to see. So this one is a steel, let's see, a gunmetal color. How cool are those? I'm sorry about my nails. They need to be redone. Aren't those pretty? And then to go along with that, I got a light gray. My camera will focus. And then just these are a white lined crystal. And these are going to be kind of like a checkered pattern that I'm making. So super excited to be working with these and to making those pair of earrings. And I'll post a picture of them as well once I get them done. Then I just got some stuff, some beeswax that will help with my threading as I am doing my beading. That will just help condition it, keep it from tangling and getting all done. Then I also think this is also from Marie. Yes. And I got this little tray to kind of help while I'm beading, keep everything, all my beads separate. I usually like put them on the table and then they roll off, where I have on my mat, and then when I get done, I'm like, oh, I gotta clean all these up so the cat or something doesn't. With this, I can just kind of move it over into my work area, which I love. So the other place I got stuff from, I believe the name of the company was Jewelry Supply, I believe. And I just got a little, show you what I got. This is some more jewelry stuff. Some of this I just got for like when I'm taking my photos, like the little earring stand. I got 2 of those, 2 different sizes. I got my E6000 glue. I like these little ones versus the big ones, just for the fact these are able to get a little bit more precise when I'm gluing on those posts. And then I got these little beads, Delca beads as well, to make another kind of checker-like diamond pair of earrings. Only this time these are going to be not, I said checkered, not checkered. They're going to be kind of like the chevron pattern, all the way down, but they're going to be diamond shaped. So I'm super excited for those. And those will be posted onto my store as well after I get them made. So I just wanted to hop on, share that with you, kind of unboxing type thing. I was super excited. I've waited about a week to get this stuff, so I'm really happy that it finally came in. And I look forward to seeing y'all guys soon. Bye!